Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Opian E-Learning, Learn English Online. This is Muhammad Ali Sumro with you teaching English language. In this my video lecture, I'm going to explain adjective phrase. Adjective phrase, a group of words that describes a noun or pronoun in a sentence that what kind and which one the noun or pronoun is. It consists of an adjective plus any modifier. The modifier here is called adverb. We can say an adjective phrase modifies or gives more information about a noun or pronoun, and it does the work of an adjective. An adjective phrase can include adjectives, adverbs are modifiers, and conjunctions. Here are some examples of adjective phrases. Number 1, the black and white box was the pride of her collection. In this sentence, adjective phrase is made up of two adjective words connected with a conjunction. And this adjective phrase describes noun box. So that's why it is called an adjective phrase. Number 2, the days are becoming increasingly longer. In this sentence, increasingly longer is an adjective phrase that describes days. Days is a noun. And increasingly is a modifier of an adjective word, and both words are adjective phrase. Number 3, she saw 3 sleek gold sports cars. In this sentence, 3 sleek gold is an adjective phrase, and this phrase is made up of 3 adjective words, 3, sleek, and gold. This phrase describes the object of this sentence, sports car. That's why we call it an adjective phrase. Number 4, give me 2 very good reasons why not. In this sentence, 2 very good is an adjective phrase, and this phrase is made up of 2 adjectives and 1 adverb. Very is an adverb that describes good, and this phrase talks about reasons, and reasons is an object of this sentence. That's why we call it, this is an adjective phrase. In these all 4 sentences, adjective phrases describe nouns. Now, let's talk about difference between a noun phrase and an adjective phrase. The basic difference between noun phrase and adjective phrase is that a noun phrase acts as a noun, while an adjective phrase acts as an adjective. For example, it is a black and white box. A black and white box is underlined. It means it is a noun phrase. In this phrase, the head word is a noun, and that's why we call it a noun phrase. Because the noun box is included in this phrase, that's why it is a noun phrase. Let's have another example. It is a black and white box. Here, in this sentence, a black and white is underlined, and it is called an adjective phrase because in this phrase there is no head word noun, and we cannot say this is a noun phrase, but it is an adjective phrase. If we include the word box noun in this phrase, then it will become a noun phrase. If we exclude the word box from this phrase, and this phrase will be an adjective phrase. Let's have the conclusion of adjective phrase. An adjective phrase, just like an adjective, is used to describe a noun or a pronoun. Let's have an example. The dog covered in mud is mine. The dog covered in mud, this is a big phrase, and it is a noun phrase because in this phrase there is a noun as a head word. If we separate the noun, if we exclude the noun from this big noun phrase, we will have another phrase which is called an adjective phrase, and it is covered in mud. In this big sentence, the dog covered in mud is a noun phrase because the noun phrase always takes place as a subject or an object. I hope so. You must have understood the difference between the noun phrase and adjective phrase. In this my video lecture, I explained adjective phrase. Thanks for watching.